Hey there, welcome back to my channel, and Vlogmas Day 11 is about what is in my workout bag. Yeah, Vlogmas Day 12 is holiday time and we need to plant trees because keeping the environment cool will make us have a safe place to live and fresh air, with this COVID-19. Yeah. Then Vlogmas Day 13, I decided to convert my old towel instead of chomaring it to something better like a flower vessel, a lampstand, or either a coffee table. So the items in one's bag are going to differ because we got different tests, and going for a gym you may need some other things like a towel, snacks, headphones. But still, if you're having a gym at your place or you're doing your workout, you can still have that. It depends with what you want, what you need, what you feel is best for. Yeah, whether you're skinny or fat, you need to do your body a good thing. You need to keep it fit and you need to have a workout plan, so you are going to have one if you don't have. But for ladies, I know they got workout plans because they need their booties big, hips, and, and large, yeah, ladies got that, so that when your belly spans on them, you gotta be like, nigga, what are you even doing to my body? Then them boys need them six packs. I'ma squeeze them in the every time. Yeah, then here comes a warm up. I don't know what this bitch is gonna be doing. So they say Makweni is dry. No, no, no. This season we got cool environment all over in Makweni. So you need to come and have a look of the beauty of this place. And the beautiness is so sweet. So it's time to plant trees and take care of them.